How to hard reset Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So if you want to hard reset Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, then what you need to do is follow the steps. So the first step or the first thing you need to note is make sure that the device is powered off. If the device is responsive and can be powered on, the preferred reset method should be performed. So simultaneously, press and hold the volume up button and the side button until the device vibrates and the Android recovery screen appears, then release all the buttons. So press volume up and power or side button. Allow up to 30 seconds for the recovery screen to appear. And on the third step, you need to simply go with wipe data or factory reset option. So if you don't know how to go to the wipe data or factory reset option, then what you need to do is you need to simply use your volume buttons to cycle through the available options and the side button to select. So if you press the volume down button, then you will go down or you will choose the other options, and then press the side button to select. Once you select it here, you need to simply go with factory data reset and allow several seconds for the factory data reset to complete. And once you've done that, you need to reboot your system. Allow several minutes for the reboot system to complete, and if applicable, set up your device. And in that way, you will be able to hard reset Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.